Frankfurt Airport, also known as Rhine-Main Flughafen, is Germany's main international airport by passenger numbers and is located in Frankfurt, the fifth largest city of Germany and one of the world's leading financial centers. It is operated by Fraport and serves as the main hub for Lufthansa, including Lufthansa CityLine and Lufthansa Cargo, as well as Condor and Aerologic. The airport covers an area of 2,300 hectares of land and features two passenger terminals with capacity for approximately 65 million passengers per year. Frankfurt, officially Frankfurt am Main, Hessian, Frankfurt im Main, pronounced Lit Frankfurt on the Main, is the most populous city in the German state of Hesse. Its 791,000 inhabitants as of 2022 make it the fifth most populous city in Germany. Located on its namesake Main River, it forms a continuous conurbation with the neighboring city of Offenbach am Main, and its urban area has a population of over 2.3 million. The city is the heart of the larger Rhine-Main metropolitan region, which has a population of more than 5.8 million and is Germany's second largest metropolitan region after the Rhine-Ruhr region. Frankfurt's central business district, the Bankenviertel, lies about 90 kilometers northwest of the geographic center of the EU at Gadheim in Lower Franconia. Like France and Franconia, the city is named after the Franks. Frankfurt is the largest city in the Rhine Franconian dialect area. Frankfurt was a city-state, the Free City of Frankfurt, for nearly 5 centuries, and was one of the most important cities of the Holy Roman Empire as a site of imperial coronations. It lost its sovereignty upon the collapse of the empire in 1806, regained it in 1815, and then lost it again in 1866, when it was annexed by the Kingdom of Prussia. It has been part of the state of Hesse since 1945. Frankfurt is culturally, ethnically, and religiously diverse, with half of its population, and a majority of its young people, having a migrant background. A quarter of the population consists of foreign nationals, including many expatriates. In 2015, Frankfurt was home to 1,909 ultra-high-net-worth individuals, the sixth highest number of any city. As of 2017, Frankfurt is the 14th wealthiest city in the world. Frankfurt is a global hub for commerce, culture, education, tourism, and transportation, and rated as an Alpha World City according to GAWC. It is the site of many global and European corporate headquarters. In addition, Frankfurt Airport is the busiest in Germany, one of the busiest in both Europe and the world, the airport with the most direct routes in the world, and the primary hub for Lufthansa, the national airline of Germany. Frankfurt is one of the major financial centers of the European continent, with the headquarters of the European Central Bank, Deutsche Bundesbank, Frankfurt Stock Exchange, Deutsche Bank, DZ Bank, KfW, Commerzbank, several cloud and fintech startups, and other institutes. Automotive, technology and research, services, consulting, media, and creative industries complement the economic base. Frankfurt's DECIX is the world's largest internet exchange point. Messe Frankfurt is one of the world's largest trade fairs. Major fairs include the Music Fair and the Frankfurt Book Fair, the world's largest book fair. Frankfurt is home to influential educational institutions, including the Goethe University, the UAS, the FUMPA, and graduate schools like the Frankfurt School of Finance and Management. Its renowned cultural venues include the Concert Hall Alte Oper, continental Europe's largest English theater, and many museums, e.g. the Museumsufer Ensemble with Stadel and Liebiet House, Senckenberg Natural Museum, Goethe House, and the Schurn Art Venue at the Old Town. Frankfurt's skyline, especially that of its central business district, is shaped by some of Europe's tallest skyscrapers, which has led to the term Manhattan. The city has many notable various green areas and parks, including the Central Wallenlagen, the city forest.